Motivation comes and goes. Many people think that successful individuals are always motivated. They imagine the motivation is something stable and constant. In reality, motivation comes and goes. Some days I feel excited and ready to work. Other days I feel tired and distracted. Before, I believed that if I was not motivated, I should stop completely. Over time, I realized that waiting for motivation is not always helpful. If I only work when I feel inspired, I would not go very far. Instead, I try to build small habits. Habits are quieter than motivation. They do not feel powerful, but they keep me moving. Even on days when I feel low, I can still do one small task. Now I understand that motivation is a bonus, not a requirement. Consistency matters more than feelings. Every day is a new chance to grow. Sometimes the change is very small. We may learn a new word, understand a new idea, or practice a skill a little better. At first, these changes may seem unimportant. We will not notice them immediately. But over time, small changes become real progress. Learning is not always fast. Some days you feel confident, other days you feel uncertain. These are natural parts of growth. When we continue learning every day, we slowly become better. Even small efforts can make a difference. Now, I try to remind myself of something simple. I do not need to become perfect today. I only need to grow a little. If I keep learning and practicing, I will grow every day. Being kind to yourself. Being kind to yourself means treating yourself in a gentle and patient way. Many people are kind to others, but they are very hard on themselves. I think being kind to yourself is important for a happy and healthy life. First, when we make mistakes, we should not say bad things about ourselves. Everyone makes mistakes. Instead of thinking, I'm not good enough, we can say, it's okay, I can learn from this. This helps us feel calmer and more confident. Second, we need to take care of our body and mind. For example, we should get enough sleep, eat healthy food, and take breaks when we fall tired. Resting is not laziness. It helps us have more energy for the next day. Finally, being kind to yourself means forgiving yourself. Sometimes we feel guilty about the past, but we cannot change the past. We can only learn and move forward. In conclusion, being kind to yourself helps you feel peaceful and strong. When you treat yourself with kindness, you can live a better life and share that kindness with others. Sometimes I feel tired after a long day. I study, work, and try to do many things. When I feel tired, I often tell myself I should keep going. I see other people studying and working very hard, so I think I should do the same. In the past, I believed that resting was a bad thing. When I took a break, I felt lazy. But after some time, I noticed something. When I did not rest, I became more tired. I made more mistakes and could not focus. Then I realized something important. Rest is not laziness. Rest helps our body relax and our mind became clear. Now, when I feel tired, I allow myself to rest. Sometimes I take a short break or go for a walk. After that, I can work better. Rest is not laziness. It's part of learning and growing.